प्रभु जी, I will check it is streaming or.
बाहवो लोकपालानां
भावको लोकपालानां
यशाशेम कर्मणां.
कर्मणाम्.
The Lord arms with the protective fields of the great demigods and the leaders of living entities to protect the general mass.
प्रभु जी, it is now streaming live.
Thank you, thank you. So how do we understand this? You know the famous instance when Prahlad Maharaj was standing in front of Hiranyakashipu and Shri Radha Govinda Ki. So at that time, Hiranyakashipu asked Prahlad that when I look at any Devata, you know the famous instance when so when I look at even a Devata with a raised eyebrows, he panics, he shakes with fear. Even Devata, forget about other people. If he looks at Indra, Varuna, all these people, they shake with fear when they look at Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu had got so much powers that nobody in this world except Brahma, Vishnu, or Lord Shiva can check him. Nobody, except these three, nobody. He is more powerful than all the Devatas. That was the benediction he had. He had requested Brahma, give me all your powers, so that the way you manage, I can also manage. So practically all the Devatas became subordinate to him. Now, so he asked Prahlad Maharaj that when I look at the Devatas with raised eyebrows, they panic with fear. In fact, he used to catch any Devata and give few slaps and kicks for no purpose. Simply like, hey, come here, give him 2 slaps, and he was playing with them like anything, harassing them. So he asked Prahlad Maharaj that when I get little look at it, stare at some Devata, he panics with fear. And he is not here, he is in his loka. But they come to know Hiranyakashipu thinking about it, they panic with fear because I beat them for no purpose. I do whatever I want. But you are living in the same house. You're standing in front of me. And when I look at you, you look totally fearless. Even every day I make attempt to kill you, you are not scared at all. So tell me the reason. What is the reason that you appear so fearless? On whose power you are so fearless? You know, there's a famous statement made by Hiranyakashipu and very famous answer given by Prahlad. Prahlad says, my dear father, the same person who has given you the power is also source of my power. Indeed, the source of all the power is Vishnu. There is nobody else who is the source of any power. And then he continues, my dear father, give up your demonic mentality. Directly instruct without any fear. How you can speak? Even Indra or these people have no courage to instruct him. He said, my dear father, give up your demonic mentality. There were in the past many people like you who wanted to, rule over all the world, but they could not control their senses. Therefore, they were never satisfied. The first outside victory first should be inside victory. So like that, he continues to instruct his father. And then next he continues instructing him more about this. And then Hiranyakashipu becomes very angry next. He said, you are saying you are more expert than me in controlling the senses. He cannot see the reality. Hiranyakashipu was always drunk. Hamesha piya rehta tha. Hamesha. So he said, you are telling me you are better than me in controlling the senses. ऐसा बोलते हैं, हाँ? मेरे से ज़्यादा तुम सक्षम हो. He cannot see actually the reality. Reality is Prahlad Maharaj one time not got angry or agitated or disturbed by attempts to kill him. Not one time. अब किसी के पास तुम जहर लेके जाओ, उसको पहाड़ी से फेंको, कितना चिल्लाएगा ना? कुछ शांत, बहुत ही शांत. समुद्र में फेंक दिया, पहाड़ी से फेंका, जो what you can imagine to kill somebody, they did everything. Nothing worked. So एक सांप के बिल में फेंक देते थे उसको, हजारों सांप चारों तरफ रख, उसको डर ही नहीं, हमको रखो हम तो चिल्लाएंगे ना. नेवर पीस, नेवर शाउट पीस, whatever Krishna wills to happen. And praying always remember Krishna. Krishna personally protected. Nothing happened. There he had full faith. Imagine to answer this question like Prahlad, when his father said, "Is God in this pillar?" He said, "Yes." विश्वास तो देखो इतना भयंकर. He is everywhere. My Lord, he is everywhere. Prabhupada said that is the perfection of thinking, perfection of feeling, perfection of willing. When you understand God is in every atom around you. That is Prahlad Maharaj. Perfection of Smarana. Perfection of this understanding God is everywhere. Therefore, when he says, is he there in this pillar? Yes, he's there. And Prabhupada says he did not come and then he hit the pillar with his strong arm or with his gada. It's not that Krishna came. Gada. It is not that Krishna came to prove the word of to the experiment of Hiranyakashipu to prove. No. Hiranyakashipu broke the pillar and wanted to test whether Vishnu is there. Or he was telling, let your God come and I want to see him. Let him come to see him. I'll take my sword to cut your head. Let me see whether he's there. मैं तुम्हारी गर्दन काट करने के लिए तलवार निकालता हूँ, देखने दो मेरे को, भगवान तुम्हारे आते नहीं आते. तो प्रॉपर से उसके एक्सपेरिमेंट के चक्कर में भगवान नहीं है. उनको नास्तिक लोगों के एक्सपेरिमेंट से कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. कर लो जो भी और बैठे रहो, सोते रहो. Like the scientists, they will never see God. God did not come because of the experiments of anybody. Krishna came because of the word of Prahlad, because Prahlad Maharaj के मुंह से निकला था, हाँ है, मेरे भगवान है इस पिलर में. To prove his statement, Narasimhadev came. Narasimhadev did not come to prove the experiment of Hiranyakashipu. He just came to keep the word of his pure devotee. Just like Brahma had given so many words, the Lord will not come in the day, not will come in the night. Therefore, Narasimhadeva came in that form. Similarly, to keep the word of Prahlad. What is the word of Prahlad? The Lord is there in every atom, therefore the Lord appeared. So anyway, here the main meditation was the power. What is Prahlad Maharaj saying? He said that the source of all power is Supreme Lord. And same thing Prabhupada expanded here. The Lord arms the protective field of the great demigods. The demigods always look at the arms of the Lord because they protect. But where do great devotees look? Not at the arms. They look at the lotus feet of the Lord. They are happy serving the Lord. They are not interested even to disturb the Lord to give darshan. They are happy in service. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyakash won Jai Vijay, right?
Yes.
So who is Jai and who is Vijay in Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyakash?
Huh?
Who is Jai and who is Vijay in Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyakash?
Yeah, Hiranyaksha.
Hiranyaksha.
He is Vijay is Hiranyaksha.
Jai.
Okay, you go first, as much. Any Deva Prabhupada, this is our general philosophy, that whatever situation we are in, we may have different status in the society. Whatever a person may be in the estimation of social order of things, yet Vyavaharika level drama chalta rehta hai. You are this or that in the society. That identity keeps changing. I'm a young man, I'm an old man, I'm this or I'm that. Whatever you have in social order of the thing, a person tries to reciprocate a feeling of love and a satisfied blessing of the Lord, at once feel the highest peace of mind for which is hankering life after life. Whatever you have in social position, that does not matter. But we should reciprocate feeling of love towards the Supreme Personality of God. Krishna is loving. Krishna is very kind to us. Correct? But we should try to reciprocate Krishna's feeling of love towards us. We should reciprocate. Krishna is loving from his side, and we have no reciprocation. And how do you reciprocate Krishna's love? Chant Hare Krishna, read about him, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smadam, Navavidha Bhakti, offer service to him. What is Navavidha Bhakti? Offering service to Krishna. Reciprocation of Krishna's love towards us. When you do that, what is going to happen? Satisfied blessing, he will at first feel the highest peace of mind for which is hankering life after life. Okay, let us continue. Vikramo bhuvava swasya
Vikramo bhurbhuva svasya
Demasya sharanasya cha
Shemasya saranasya
Sarvakama varasya
Sarvakamarasyapi
Praise charana aspadam.
Hare
Thus the forward steps of the Lord are the shelter of the upper, lower, and heavenly planet, as well as for all that we need. His lotus feet serve as the protection from all kind of fear. Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
For
Prabhu.
absolute,
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
for Hare Krishna Prabhuji, for absolute protection from all sorts of fear, as well as for all our needs of life, we must take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord, not only in this planet, but also in all the upper, lower, and heavenly planets. This absolute dependence on the lotus feet of the Lord is called pure devotional service, and it is directly hinted at within this passage. No one should have any kind of doubt in this matter, nor should one be inclined to seek the help of any other demigods, because all of them are dependent on him only. Everyone, except the Lord himself, is dependent on the mercy of the Lord. Even all pervading super soul is also dependent on the supreme aspect of Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead.
For absolute protection outside of fear, as well as all our needs in life, we must take shelter of the lotus feet. So this is very nice purpose. From absolute protection from all sorts of fear. His lotus feet serve as a protection of all sorts of fear. Whenever we are in danger, we take shelter of somebody. Shelter of somebody means to take shelter, fall down at his lotus feet. Please protect me. So Krishna's lotus feet are the protection for everybody in the whole universe. This word is fearful condition. Those who are sane. Insane people do not know they are in a fearful condition. Only mad people do not know they are in fearful condition. Any reasonable man knows he is in a fearful condition. Correct? Is it fine?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Anything can happen at any moment. Anything. So therefore, they're always in a stage of fear. What is going to happen? We do not know. We have no control over it. But if you take shelter of Krishna, there's no fear. Because Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pradashati. Arjuna, declare to the world, my devotee will not be lost. I'll give him protection. So Krishna is guaranteeing protection for his devotees. Okay. And Prabhupada is saying absolute dependence on the lotus feet of the Lord is called pure devotional service. What is pure devotional service? Absolute dependence on the lotus feet of the Lord. And is directly hinted at within this passage. This passage is directly hinted at absolute dependence. No one should have any kind of doubt in this matter. Should one be inclined to seek help of any other demigod, because all of them are dependent on him only. So we should not seek dependence on any kind of demigods, because all of them are dependent on him only. Everyone except the Lord himself will depend on the mercy of the Lord. Even the all-pervading super soul is also dependent on the supreme aspect of Bhagavan, the personality of God. So nobody should have any doubt in this matter. Everyone except the Lord, dependent on the mercy of the Lord. Everyone is dependent. So this is Krishna consciousness. There is no need to distract ourselves. That's a famous instance of Durvasa Muni and Ambarish Maharaj. When there was a misunderstanding, and that was more because of fault of Durvasa Muni than any fault of Ambarish Maharaj को कोई गलती नहीं था. Misunderstanding हो गया. मेरा इज्जत नहीं करता वो. खाना खा लिया मेरे आने से पहले. बेमतलब. Ambarish Maharaj से कोई गलती नहीं. Anyway, whatever the misunderstanding, Durvasa Muni wanted to kill him. Ambarish Maharaj stood very peacefully. He said, I want to punish you. ठीक है भाई, आप तो ऋषि गण हैं, आपकी मैं अपने हथियार वो हथियार उठा सकता था, नहीं उठा. ठीक है, आपकी जो इच्छा. मैं हथियार से Parikshit Maharaj did not lift weapon against Shringi. He also did not lift. Okay, whatever punishment you give. And he praying to the Lord at his lotus feet. My Lord, I am at your lotus feet. ठीक है, I am ready to accept the punishment by the so-called sage. And this Durvasa Muni created a demon to kill him. Ambarish Maharaj did not चिल्लाए नहीं, चीखे नहीं, इधर भागे नहीं, उधर भागे नहीं. भगवान के चरण याद करते रहे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. तो क्या हुआ? भगवान का सुदर्शन चक्र आया और तो उन्होंने किसी देवता को पुकारा नहीं, उन्होंने किसी देवी को पुकारा नहीं, कुछ नहीं. किसी को याद करने, खाली विष्णु के चरण याद करते रहे. तो वै मनः कृष्ण पदार भिंदयो वाचाम वैकुंठ गुणानुवर्णने करोर हरेर मंदिर मार्जनादिषु श्रुतिम चकार अच्युत शतकथोदये मुकुंद लिंगालय दर्शन दिशो. इतना तक हमको याद है. It's very beautiful 8 lines. The situation of Ambarish Maharaj, always at the lotus feet of the Lord. So now what happens is that Krishna Sudarshana comes and cuts the head of the demon. And then it looks for Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni can see already the demon created by him, his head has been cut. And now he's coming to kill him. So he runs for his life. He goes to Brahma, he goes to Shiva, and finally he goes to Vishnu. And Vishnu says, I cannot save him. I cannot save you. Ambarish Maharaj has to give you protection. I am the property of my devotees. And he starts flying, falls to the feet of Ambarish Maharaj, says, please save me. Now during this whole drama, Ambarish Maharaj only kept praying to Vishnu. But Durvasa Muni prayed to this devata, that devata, that devata. That's a general tendency. अरे ये नहीं चल रहा आजकल, इसको चलाते हैं, इसका try कर दे. Actually, they have no devotion to any one of them. They simply have some material demands and they are using a particular devata. Just like the political leaders, people go, भाई ये मदद कर दो, वो मदद कर दो. But actually, how many of them actually have devotion? No. Therefore, moment they lose a seat of power, people lose interest in the person. See how cruel reality the world. You may be politician today, 1,000 people realize you, and you think you are so many well-wishers you have. But actually, they are not your well-wishers. They are only come to take advantage. The moment you lose your power, nobody comes to you. He's an ordinary man walking on the street. We have seen that. Nobody comes to him. So similarly, these people, they say we are devoted to Devatas. They are not devoted to Devatas. They've just gone for some work. Adan Pradhan hai, kuch business hai. They do not have any devotion. It's just a show. Like Bhasmasura, you think he was devoted to Lord Shiva? No, he was just cheating him. The moment Lord Shiva said, Tathastu, you can burn anybody to ashes just by placing your hand over his head, he wanted to kill Lord Shiva itself. This much devotion he had. इतना भक्ति था उसको. शिव जी को ही मार दो. ऐसे होते हैं ये उपद्रवी. So devotion is only applied to Vishnu. Only to Vishnu. Mere desh bhakti, mera this bhakti, that bhakti, though there is no bhakti, only one bhakti, Vishnu bhakti. All other bhaktis have adan pradan. Therefore Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Kama sata hita jnana yajanti anya devataha. Kama is when mind is stolen by material desire, then only I worship other devatas. So beautiful statement. So it's very clear here. Everyone except the Lord himself is dependent on the mercy of the Lord. Even the all-pervading super soul is also dependent on the supreme aspect of Bhagavan. the personality of God. Everything is dependent on, even Paramatma is an expansion of the Lord. Nothing is independent of him. Why Paramatma? Because so many decisions are made in word of Paramatma. This happened, that happened. It is not independent. Paramatma is Krishna himself. It's not that two persons are there, but Paramatma is Krishna in like an office. And Krishna in the Vaikuntha or Goloka is like God at home. You can have sweet relations with. Okay, enough for today. Any questions? There is Harish also, Hanish also.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, why people wish for doing Asti Vimarjanam in river Ganges?
It is said that Ganga is extremely pure. And the water coming from the Lord's lotus feet, it is considered very nice for that person. If he can do that.
So
If,
irrespective whatever he does in his life, doing that particular thing, it will clear off all his Papa Punya?
no. ये देखो कोई एक magic formula नहीं है. But I tell you the principle is what? Potentiality and the action. Now when you chant the holy name of the Lord, one chanting can wash all the sins. But can you chant purely? No. It's potentiality. So every dhama has a potentiality. ये क्या होता है, पांडा लोग आपको बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. जनरली बहुत लोग भक्त लोग धाम जाने के लिए बड़े उत्सुक रहते हैं. ये भूल जाते हैं कि दैट इज पोटेंशियलिटी. जस्ट लाइक once you take bath in the Radha Kund, you get Krishna Prema. That is potentiality. If you take in the mood of Raghunath Das Goswami, पूरे विश्वास के साथ, पूरे भक्ति के साथ, उतना शक्ति है उसमें. नाम में भी है ना शक्ति. Just like many congregation at temples, we have the temple manager the problem. पूरे साल कोई सेवा नहीं करते, मंदिर में दिखते तक नहीं है प्रोग्राम. ठीक है. और जब यात्रा होती, बड़े बड़े हाँ प्रभु यात्रा, बिकॉज क्या उनको उन चीजों में बहुत विश्वास है. वहां धाम जाएंगे तो सारे पुण्य माफ हो जाएंगे. वहां धाम जाएंगे, वहां पांडा बैठे रहते हैं. अरे आप तो धन्य हो गए, आप तो इस धाम आ गए, आपको तो हो गया मोक्ष, हो गया बिल्कुल वैकुंठ धाम हो गया. उसको दक्षिणा देके खुश हो जाते हैं बस. तो सिमिलरली वी डोंट से दैट. हम तो ऐसा नहीं बोलते. हम तो ध्यान से जप करना पड़ेगा, 16 वाला जप करना पड़ेगा, तब भगवत धाम जाने का हो सकता है टिकट मिले. वो भी गारंटी नहीं है. सीरियस होना पड़ेगा, अपराध नहीं करना पड़ेगा. दे डोंट टेल ऑल दिस थिंग. व्हाट आर अपराध, 4 नियम भी नहीं बताते. आप धाम आगे हो गया, आपका धन्य बस. जैसे भागवत सप्ताह के लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत लोगों को भागवत डेली, भागवत शास्त्र में लिखा है नित्यम भागवत सेवया, हर दिन सुनना पड़ता है. ये नहीं एक भागवत सप्ताह सुन लिया सारे पाप नष्ट कर दिए, ये मजाक नहीं चलेगा. हर दिन सुनना पड़ता है भागवत. वो आप परीक्षित महाराज हैं क्या, 7 दिन में भागवत समझ. जैसे कोई बोलेगा भाई मेरे को गीता आधे घंटे में समझा दो, क्या आप अर्जुन हो क्या, आधे घंटे में क्या समझोगे. ना तो हम कृष्ण है ना आप अर्जुन हो, है ना. नहीं आधे घंटा सुनूंगा बस. क्योंकि अर्जुन ने भी आधे घंटा सुना, तुम अर्जुन हो क्या, नहीं तो क्यों उसका नाटक कर रहे हो. यू कैन नॉट इमिटेट अर्जुन. तो सिमिलरली यू कैन नॉट इमिटेट परीक्षित महाराज. बस बहुत एक फैशन चल रहा है भागवत सप्ताह का 7 दिन. कुछ नहीं होगा उससे. 7 करोड़ साल भी सुन लोगे कुछ नहीं होगा, वैसे भाव में बैठोगे. जनरली अपने पुण्य धोने के लिए लोग भागवत सप्ताह सुनते. उनको भागवत में क्या बोल रहे हो उससे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. जनरली पब्लिक के लोग है ना, तो लोग है भाई पब्लिक आएगी करके भागवत सप्ताह कर लेते हैं, कर लो. लेकिन पब्लिक जो आ रही है वो गीता सुनने के भी लायक नहीं है. भागवत क्या सुना रहे हो उनको, वो गीता भी सुनने के लायक नहीं है. They're not in the level to even hear Bhagavad Gita. What you are talking Bhagavatam to them? They are unqualified. Just like a normal class we are taking now, Gita 18. Do I teach Bhagavatam? No. They're not qualified to hear Bhagavatam. Even Gita they're not qualified. We tell them very ABCD. So this is big fashion nowadays. Bhagavatam. क्या बकवास है. Prabhupada ji ever did Bhagavad Saptah bhai? सबसे बड़े प्रचारक हमारे, खुद किया क्या कभी नहीं. So why you are trying to do something Prabhupada did not? है ना. So we should not get attracted to all this. Very popular in North India भागवत. क्या समझोगे समझ 7 दिन में, 7 करोड़ साल भी नहीं समझ सकते. भागवत में 100 यूसे हर दिन में, आज हमने चलो 6-7 श्लोक पढ़ लिए. कितना पढ़ सकते हो एक दिन में? 5 श्लोक. कितना है फिर भागवत में श्लोक, उसको समझना भी तो है ना. कितना श्लोक है? 18,000 श्लोक. It take years to even do a good reading of Bhagavad. अब उसका deep study करने में कितना साल लगेगा? So this all has become a joke now. So we should study Bhagavatam very, very seriously. Okay? And every day we should study. Then we will hope to understand Bhagavatam. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Naistiki. Correct? Not Sapta Bhagavad Sapta Sevaya. वो तो है ही नहीं कहीं पे. वो तो परीक्षित महाराज के लिए था. Yes, माता जी, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था?
River Ganges, Prabhuji. I understood. Actually, now you told me that pure dedication matters a lot. So,
Yeah.
if we are pure, then actually the river Ganges is sacred and the dam is also sacred. Only thing how we take ourselves to there. So, if you are
Yeah.
purely dedicated, then we get all the punya
It has a power. Just
power.
like
Yes, yes.
first shloka was there, Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra.
Mm,
Dhritarashtra was very worried कि ये तो धर्मक्षेत्र है. इससे he knew it will benefit the Pandavas, not my sons.
correct.
He knew that. Therefore he panicked. Oh my God, ये तो धर्मक्षेत्र में युद्ध हो गया, फंस गए भाई. Because my sons are not holy. He knows they are unholy. A holy place will act on the holy people. Holy place does not act on unholy people. He was thinking, ऐसा नहीं हो, because of the influence of the holy place, they may say, Pandavas, why fight? At least let us have 50-50. चलो 50% kingdom आप ले लो. He may be influenced. He didn't want any compromise. But what happened? The holy place did not affect the Kauravas because they were not holy. They were unholy. So holy place has effect on the holy people to the degree you surrender. Dham is also not different from Krishna. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tam tataya bhajamyam. Just like Bhagavad we study now. Bhagavatam says, Prabhupada says, every page of Bhagavatam you can see Krishna. दिख रहा है अभी, हमको नहीं दिख रहा. Can you at least notice one thing? The continuously Prabhupada's heart is beating like a Shuddha Bhakta. We are able to see that? Yes, that we can see if you are daily reading. You can see. Such a great devotee. Correct? So we can feel the heart of a pure devotee when we are reading. Potentiality is there. Apne pe hai. How much Krishna is revealed, how much Guru is revealed, all depends on how much we are sincere.
How much we dedicate ourselves.
Yeah. अतापि ते देव पदा मुजम द्वया प्रसाद लेश अनुगृहीत एव ही जानाति तत्वम भगवन महिम्नो न तु एव अपि चिरम विचम. It says, the Shastra says, अतापि ते देव पदा मुजम द्वया प्रसाद लेश अनुगृहीत एव ही. By the mercy of Krishna we can understand Krishna, not independently. अतापि ते देव पदा मुजम द्वया प्रसाद लेश अनुगृहीत जानापि तत्व भगवन महिम्नो न तु एव अपि चिरम विचम. Chiram Vichin, from crores of years we can travel here and there. We cannot understand Krishna. Only we can understand him by his own mercy. Okay? So when you are sincere in devotional service, sincere and serious, careful and fearful in devotional service, Krishna mercy we get. Then we understand.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Trikarana Shuddhi. Correct, no, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji.
Antakarana Shuddhi. Trikarana Shuddhi, Antakarana.
Yes, Dash. What song we will sing today?
Prabhuji, I can sing Kevalashtakam, or I can sing Vaishnav, I can sing Dala Lera Gita. It's Odonitai.
What is that?
It's about Nityananda selling the name.
Oh, that is very nice. Chalo, we will
Selling
hear.
the holy name.
What is the beginning of that line?
Boro Sukher Khabur Gai.
That is very famous song. We like it.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
बोरो सुखे, उसका क्या नाम है?
Poor guy.
हाँ? Yeah, what is the full line? How do I locate Boro Sukha?
Boro Sukher, Sukher.
Khabur Gai.
Huh?
Khabor. Prabhuji, you can say, yeah, Khaborgai.
Boro Sukha Khabor Gai.
Yes.
Yeah, I know Agnidev Prabhu. He sang very nicely when he went to Mayapur.
Is it? Who sang this, Prabhuji?
Agnidev Prabhu is Prabhupada disciple. When the Mayapur Parikram happens, he comes and sings very much.
Okay, Prabhuji, can I start?
Wait, lyrics. Let me get the lyrics.
Extract the song.
You be ready. Boro Shukor. Yes, Mataji, you tell the meaning first. Otherwise, they will not know what they are singing.
Sure, Prabhuji.
Yes, you read the meaning, Mataji.
Sure, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. I am singing news of great happy tidings. Lord Nityananda himself has opened a marketplace of the holy name in Surabhi Kunja. The news of this great result is that he is selling the pure holy name in that marketplace for the price of only one's faith. Lord Nityananda, the proprietor of the market, seeing all the devotees become attracted, is selling them the holy name after bargaining with them. Oh, brother, if you want to buy the holy name, then go with me. We must go to the presence of the great soul, Nityananda. You will buy the name of Krishna, I will take my commission, and all of our desires will be fulfilled. Lord Nityananda is greatly merciful. Taking only one's faith, he gives the highest ecstasy. If Nitai sees only one's tears in the eyes while chanting the holy name, Gaura, then he gives all resources to that person. He gives the pure teachings of Krishna to everyone and does not care for one's birth, wealth, knowledge, and strength. Now, giving up the illusionary snare of Maya, either remain in the household of or in the forest as sannyasi, for no more troubles remain. There is no more fear of the age of Kali. The merciful Nityananda gives the holy name to even the Chandalas. Bhaktivinoda calls out, except for the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda, there is no other shelter. Hare Krishna.
Oh. Yes, start.
বড় সুখের খবর গায়, বড় সুখের খবর গায়, সুরভি কুঞ্জেতে নামের হাট খুলেছে, সুরভি কুঞ্জেতে নামের হাট খুলেছে, বড় সুখের খবর গায়, বড় সুখের খবর গায়, কুঞ্জেতে নামের হাট খুলেছে, সুরভি নামের হাট খুলেছে, বড় নিতাই, বড় নিতাই, হর নিতাই, হর নিতাই, বড় মজার কথা ঠাই, বড় মজার কথা ঠাই, রাজা বলে শুদ্ধ নাম এই হাটেতে বিকায়, বড় মজার কথা ঠাই, বড় মজার কথা ঠাই, রাজা বলে শুদ্ধ নাম এই হাটেতে বিকায়, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, जटा भक्त वृंदावसी, जटा भक्त वृंदावसी, अधिकारे देखे नाम बेचे दारू काशी, अधिकारे देखे नाम बेचे दारू काशी, जटा भक्त वृंदावसी, जटा भक्त वृंदावसी, अधिकारे देखे नाम बेचे दारू काशी, अधिकारे देखे नाम बेचे दारू काशी, खोद निताई, खोद निताई, खोद निताई, खोद निताई, जदि नाम किनबे भाई, जदि नाम किनबे भाई, আমার সঙ্গে চলো মহাজানের কাছে চাই, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, যদি নাম কিনবে ভাই, যদি নাম কিনবে ভাই, আমার সঙ্গে চলো মহাজানের কাছে যাই, খোদ নিতাই, খোদ নিতাই, তুমি কিনবে কৃষ্ণ নাম, তুমি কিনবে কৃষ্ণ নাম, দস্তুরি লইব আমি, পূর্ণ হবে
तुम्ही किनबे कृष्ण नाम, तुम्ही किनबे कृष्ण नाम, दस्तुरी लइब आमी पूर्ण हाबे काम, दस्तुरी लइब आमी पूर्ण हाबे काम, निताय खदनिताय, खदनिताय खदनिताय, बोरो दयाल नित्यानंद, बोरो दयाल नित्यानंद, श्रद्धा मात्र लोय देन परमानंद, श्रद्धा मात्र लोय देन परमानंद, बोरो दयाल नित्यानंद, श्रद्धा मात्र लोय देन परमानंद, श्रद्धा मात्र लोय देन परमानंद, खदनिताय 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 खदनिताय, एक बार देखे चाक्षे जाल, एक बार देखे चाक्षे जाल, गौरा बोले निताई देन सकाला संभाल, गौरा बोले निताई देन सकाला संभाल, एक बार देखे चाक्षे जाल, एक बार देखे चाक्षे जाल, गौरा बोले निताई देन सकाला संभाल, खदनिताय 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 खदनिताय, शुद्ध कृष्ण शिक्षा देन शुद्ध कृष्ण शिक्षा, जति धन विद्या बला न कोरे अपेक्षा, जति धन विद्या बला न कोरे अपेक्षा, देन शुद्ध कृष्ण शिक्षा, देन शुद्ध कृष्ण शिक्षा, जति धन विद्या बला न कोरे अपेक्षा, जति धन विद्या बला न कोरे अपेक्षा, खदनिताय 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 खदनिताय, आम्ही चढे माया जाल, आम्ही चढे माया जाल, गृहे ताको बाने ताको न थाके जंजाल, ताको बाने ताको न थाके जंजाल, माया जाल, आम्ही चढे माया जाल, गृहे ताको बाने ताको न थाके जंजाल, गृहे ताको बाने ताको न थाके जंजाल, खदनिताय 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 खदनिताय, কালের ভয় আনাটো কালের ভয়, আচন্ডালে দেন নাম নিতাই দয়াময়, আচন্ডালে দেন নাম নিতাই দয়াময়, আর নাকে কালের ভয়, আর নাকে কালের ভয়, আচন্ডালে দেন নাম নিতাই দয়াময়, আচন্ডালে দেন নিতাই দয়াময়, বড় সুখের খবর গায়, বড় সুখের খবর গায়, সুরভি কুঞ্জেতে নামের হাট খুলিছে, খদনিতাই 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 খদনিতাই, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে।
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
I'm logged into two devices, that's why I'm muted on my computer.
That's okay. That's okay.
Hare Krishna very much, Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
Hare
Yes.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Ancha
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Prabhuji.
Vaishnava. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Dash. Very nice. It's a very song. After hearing a long time. We went to Mayapur Parikrama. At Surti Kunj only he sang Agnidev Prabhu. Very touching. With all the
Where-
devotees. No, Mayapur Parikrama happens every year.
Now it's happening on 10th tomorrow, right? It's starting. Tomorrow. They're doing online parikrama, Prabhuji. This time is online parikrama. All the devotees from Mayapur are posting to register. His Holiness Vigna Narasimha Maharaj is sent also. One can register and see the parikrama from.
Everything online now. No need to go.
Lord is very merciful.
Can you share that link, Mataji? Prabhuji, can you?
Yes. It's
Can you
available
just
on Mayapur website, Mataji. It's available on my website, but I can forward also.
Okay. Which group do you? WhatsApp group?
Hope I'll just send it to Prabhuji. Prabhuji will share.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare
Hare-
Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Hare
Hare-
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Nishta Prabhuji ki jai.
Jai.